Hi students. For What It's Worth is a real easy song. The chords are single strums on the E, and for 4 beats. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then an A, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and an A. So it lends itself as an excellent song, as a launching pad for a beginning student. It's it's in the same key as the Buffalo Springfield song. It's describing the Sunset Boulevard riots, and Stephen Stills witnessed it. Young kids getting out of concert venues on the Sunset Strip after 10, and the police chief at the time wanted to crack down on curfew laws. And so there was a riot, and it's the song, "There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear." And "There's a man with a gun over there," etc. But what's happening underneath the song, and what you can use as an intro, is this tab. Now, let me go back to the tablature on the screen, and remember that the numbers are the frets, and it's as if you're holding your guitar up upside down, because you're looking at the first string up high, and then up here. That's the first string, second string, third string, and this is the sixth string, the string that's actually closest to you as you hold your guitar and look down. So you have an open E on the sixth string. Now, I would suggest using the ring finger to hit the second fret and slide up to the fourth fret. So again, let me close up that. So it's an E. Because you need the second, you need your first finger to play the second fret of the D string, and then go back to the third fret, fourth fret of the A string to the second. So you're kind of retracing. You're going, in essence, you're playing just 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, with an open E starting it. But it's a slide. And that'll take practice to go just far enough. You may overshoot it, or you may undershoot it, but you're gonna strike the string, and then slide after the attack. Then you go to the second fret with the first finger, and you replay the fourth fret A, and then you do the same thing on the next string up. It's an open A. Now take the ring finger on the second and go up to the the fourth fret of the D, and then go to the second fret of the G. So in time it would be, "There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly." And if you might recall, the song starts off with a high B on the first string alone. It's just 2, 3, 4. Very high. He does it on a Fender Stratocaster, and it throughout the entire song, that high E, octave E, and octave high B. It's actually this fret right here, almost the last fret. So let me go back to the what it's written. and I wrote this, but it's the slide that's going to be the big problem. I've been playing the intro, but it does go throughout the song. But the basic song itself is single strums. There's a man with a gun over there telling me I've got to beware. I think it's time we stop. And let me look at the okay. Let me get to it. Can't quite